My name is Luca Locatelli, and I am an Italian documentary photographer. I love medium format cameras, and they have always been my tool of expression. The latest creation made by Fujifilm is an amazingly light, fast, and sexy camera. The new GFX 50R, it's beautifully designed, making you feel immediately to go out and create. Then I needed to find the right situation, something special, vibrant, and with the right mood. One of the biggest rock and roll festivals was just happening in Italy. And then I thought, that is the right place for me to be. In every corner of this small town in the eastern coast of Italy, the American dream rocks on. People are coming from everywhere and with different ages. The rhythm is frantic and everyone is dancing so fast in front of you. And then, when everything is happening rapidly and in low light condition, the camera is really put to the test. Still, I was impressed by the autofocus system and the ISO response quality. I never missed one. I usually like to play my role as a photographer, share my ideas, and being confident inside the situation. And then when I'm getting closer to people, boom, this is when I start to seize the right moment. The GFX 50R brings back the design of the great classic Fujifilm cameras, but with the most innovative core you can expect to have in a digital medium format. Talking with people, following the rhythm, making friends, feeling the situation. This is what I like to do when I'm out on the street doing my work. At the back, a multi-touch screen makes it easy to swipe, scroll, and pinch to zoom on your pictures, having an immediate feedback of the image you are creating. A fixed lens was my choice for this occasion. I want to keep it lighter, moving around the situation without changing it. The GFX 50R makes you do what you love most, photography, even better.